Farmers Distress Editorial, published July 29, 2025, updated about 6 hours ago. The Pakistan Kisan Ittihad has painted an alarming picture of Pakistan's agricultural sector, highlighting neglect, rising production costs, and poor policy implementation. A combination of these factors, the Pakistan Kisan Ittihad leader said at a press conference, had caused unprecedented financial distress to farmers, besides leading to a big decline in rice, corn, and mango exports, and consequently in foreign exchange earnings. They also warned of an increase in food insecurity due to a potential shortfall in the next wheat harvest, thanks to the abolition of the support price mechanism. Moreover, they predicted an increase in rural poverty and inequality, which could result in social and political instability. The Pakistan Kisan Ittihad analysis underscores that the farm sector has reached its tipping point, even if the group's rhetoric is seen as politically motivated and policymakers can question it. Despite some government interventions, the sector continues to face major challenges such as water stress, low productivity, inadequate infrastructure, low levels of mechanization, high production costs, poor seed quality, unregulated markets, and flawed policy making. Extreme weather events such as erratic monsoons and heat waves induced by climate change have worsened these challenges in the last couple of decades. Hence, it is no surprise that agriculture has consistently lagged behind industry and service in driving economic growth, as reflected by data for the past 15 years. The major field crops wheat, cotton, maize, sugarcane, and rice dominate resources but have delivered annual growth of just above 1%. The same goes for fruit and vegetables. Growth in agriculture is being driven only by livestock. The Pakistan Kisan Ittihad has called for ensuring guaranteed 25% profits on crop production, reduction in electricity tariffs for irrigation, and fair market prices for staple crops and vegetables to help growers and revive yields. But one can detect in these demands a rent-seeking mindset. To unlock agriculture's full potential, the sector must shift from the traditional government-led model to a private sector-driven and tech-enabled model to become globally competitive. The government must focus on systemic reforms, not short-term packages, for increasing farm productivity and profitability. Policies should aim at improving rural infrastructure, market across crop diversification, investment in R&D, farm mechanization, and promotion of climate-smart agriculture to ensure the sector's full contribution to economic growth. Published in Dawn, July 29, 2025. Thank you.